So we're diving into this whole new wave where contractors are trading cash for property equity, right? It's like instead of just getting paid up front, they're taking a share in the property's
Yep,
future value.
that's a pretty bold shift, isn't it? Instead of that old cash for services model, they're actually betting on the property's appreciation.
Exactly. Think about it. Normally, a contractor might finish a big renovation, say a $50,000 job that bumps up the property's value by $100,000, but they just take their fee and walk away while the homeowner rides the wave of increased value.
Mhm.
With HEIA, though, the contractor gets a slice of that equity pie.
Right, and that's a major game changer because they basically get a stake in the long-term wealth of the property. It's like having skin in the game, correct?
Yeah, exactly. It's like taking the risk and also reaping the potential rewards down the line. This equity bit, it aligns everyone's interests. Homeowners get better quality work, and contractors, well, they get to build
Definitely.
generational wealth.
And if I got this right, sometimes they're even getting monthly payments tied to that equity. So they're not just waiting for one huge payout later on.
Yep, that's the point. They still get some cash flow in the short term, and the overall benefits, like the 5-10% equity stake from improving a property, can really stack up over time.
Right. But here's what I'm wondering. How do they ensure that this equity really turns into long-term wealth? There must be risks involved given property market fluctuations, right?
Great point, and it's not a one size fits all approach. Contractors need to be super selective about which jobs they go equity on, like picking properties in solid markets with high appreciation potential. It's like investing in a doghouse that could, become a mansion over time.
Yeah, I can see that, but don't you think it's a bit risky? I mean, if the homeowner's market tanked, the equity might not grow at all.
Fair concern, but that's why they carefully evaluate each opportunity based on location, the homeowner's track record, and how it fits into their overall portfolio strategy. It's a more collaborative, trust based partnership rather than a simple transaction.
Interesting. And what about the legal aspects? I assume these HEIA contracts need to be rock solid to handle future sales scenarios and buyout provisions, right?
Absolutely, it's all very detailed. Contracts need to clearly define work, equity percentages, and every party's rights. Working with experienced professionals to set that up is key so that everyone knows exactly where they stand.
Yep, that makes total sense. Honestly, it's like the contractors are not just providing a service, but also becoming mini real estate investors.
Exactly, it's a paradigm shift. They're moving from trading time for money to building something that could really compound over the years. And with rising property values, this approach could be a major advantage.
Totally. This might just be the future of contracting then. A perfect blend of construction expertise and savvy investment strategy.
Build wealth, not just houses.